Hey guys. Wow, you got everything set up. Let me get some lights on. Great job. Yep, it's packing day today. Packing, packing, packing day. Well, with $3,000 of donations coming in, that means I have to get ready 60 Wonka bars to go out. I'm hoping we'll get more donations in so I can prepare the last 40 Wonka bars. Again, this contest is about 100 Wonka bars and 5 golden tickets. And I'm actually preparing the one to go out for Paula Noel right now. As a matter of fact, I already have the bar wrapped and I've got her envelope and I'm gonna get it in the envelope. But I'll show you first of all how I do these, because they don't come ready-made like some of you might have thought. There's a little bit of a labor behind getting them ready, which is cool. I'll show you. So we start with a bar like this. And this is, again, Alpine milk chocolate made in Germany. There's 18 pieces in here. And what I have to do is I have to kind of pull it out of this cover. Have to kind of get my fingers underneath there. And open up the end and then just kind of slide that wrappered chocolate out. And even that, I mean, I know the movie is about a golden ticket, but isn't that a lovely silver foil that this original German chocolate comes in? Absolutely gorgeous. And then I take one of the Wonka wraps that I got made in town here at Bay Impressions, and I use glue dots to kind of put it in place. Let's see here, I want to get it orientated right. So we kind of start like that, lay it down, get my glue dots in place, and I usually use like 3 on both sides. But you can imagine doing this, as I'll be doing it right now, 60 times. It takes a little while, because these glue dots, you have to kind of press them and then they don't always release right away. So there I've got my 3 glue dots right there on top. Glue dots are wonderful, aren't they? Does anyone else love glue dots? And what do you use glue dots for with your projects or with your crafts? So now I kind of turn it around, get it orientated right, and line up the Wonka wrap on it. And it looks like my glue dots are on top, so I'm going to lay it down now in place, and then I'll bring those glue dots up to the back of the wrapper. Now, if this particular Wonka bar is going to get one of the golden tickets, again, I've already done Paula's. Paula's is right here. But if it's going to get a golden ticket, then I'll put that right on top. I usually use like a glue dot to affix it to the top, and then I'll close up that wrapper like this to conceal it, okay? So this particular bar is not going to get a golden ticket, and I don't know where this is going to eventually go. It might go locally, it might go otherwise, so. Mr. Bean, why did you have my harmonica out? I see it off here to the side. Oh, you wanted me to play, see if I could play with that first song? That first song I played my trumpet with it, but you wondered if I could do the song with my harmonica. Well, let me see if I can rewind it. We'll give it a go. I'm up to a challenge. All right, finally got that done. So then I take this other side and I just fold it over, get it nice and tight, and then just fold it over so that we've got a complete Wonka bar. And that's how the Wonka bars are created for this campaign. Combination of Bay Impressions helping me with the wraps I gave them a mock-up for, and then me kind of stripping off that cover of the Alpine chocolate and then putting the wrap on, and then 5 of these bars are going to receive golden tickets. And I won't say, but one of these 2 bars over here, one of which is going to go to Paula Noel. You never know, right? And that's why I encourage generous donations. The more Wonka bars you get sent to you, from the workshop here, the more likely you are to get one of those golden tickets. So be very generous in your giving, because we've got some great incentives for you to do that. All right, so I'll add this one over there as well. I'll put it on the bottom. And now I'll grab this top Wonka bar that I wrapped before I started shooting this premiere. And I'll slide this inside of the cover to head to Florida to Paula Noel. You can see I've already got it addressed. I just kind of covered up her address to respect her privacy. And then what I'm writing as well is, as long as I have them and I don't run out, I'm writing up a quick little thank you card, something like this. Thanks, gracias, thank you, merci, much appreciated, so grateful. And then writing a personal little note to each donor that contributed to the campaign. I love doing that. You know, my personal touches, handwritten sentiments are kind of a vintage, old-fashioned thing. And I tend to be old-fashioned, yeah. So I will get a quick pen. There we go. Dear Paula, thank you so much for being a hero for Hank. Your donation is giving life and hope to the critters of the Oconto shelter. All the best, Scott. Smiley face. I wish I could draw a paw print, but I'm not really good at that. So each donor will receive a personal handwritten thank you note along with their Wonka Bars. And it's just a simple way of me saying, and on behalf of the Oconto Area Humane Society, saying thank you as well for your generous donation. You really are saving lives and giving hope to these critters. So thanks so much. Yes, Mr. Bean, I heard you. Mr. Bean wants me to try to play that first song on my harmonica. So let's indulge him, okay? Let's indulge Mr. Bean. All right, Mr. Bean, let me spin it back. But let me first of all put this thank you card in with Paula's Wonka Bar, so we can get this one heading that way. And I'll probably see if I can pull it out real quick and slide them in together. There's a trick to packing, isn't there? There's a trick to packing. There we go. All right. So I'm going to seal this up. And since Paula was our first donation for this campaign, I thought I would complete Paula's Wonka Bar first. I almost stuck my finger to that. Okay. And then I'll put my fragile stickers on here, even though we know the U.S. Postal Service may not recognize them. And it's not that they can't read, it's just that they're very busy people. I get that. But we'll make it obvious that it's something that they should be treating gently, right? Fragile. I'll put one on the back as well. All right, Paula. Well, this is going to go out in today's mail, so keep watch for it. And good luck to you. I hope you win. You never know, right? The more you contribute, the more you raise your odds of winning. So remember, this is our last full week. Next week, this campaign effort and contest ends on Thursday, the 23rd, right? 23rd. Yeah, that sounds right. The 23rd of September. Jump in. Time is and then you're gonna regret it. You know what I mean? Was that a complete sentence? I think so. Take time, put your life on pause, and get involved as Paula did, and all the other donors that have jumped into this. So make a difference, would you? All right, now to indulge Mr. Bean. Let's see what I can do. I play by ear, so you never know. Let's see. All right, Mr. Bean. I hope you didn't embarrass me. This is right on camera now. All right. Well, if you think I succeeded with Mr. Bean's challenge, type in the chat, "Great job, Scott," or "Yeah," or something like that. Or maybe I bombed it. You never know, right? All right. So get involved in this opportunity, would you? All of these chocolate bars, I'm going to be wrapping these today and getting these heading out to all of the donors. And again, with these Wonka bars going out, there's going to be 5 golden tickets. And I'm not choosing where they go. It's going to be random. So maybe Paula's has a golden ticket. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe, you never know. It's a random thing. So, but I'm wishing all you the very best. And thank you. If our campaign only reaches $3,000, which I hope it doesn't stop there, but that's a lot of money. It's going to make a difference. It's going to give life and hope to the critters of the Oconto Area Humane Society. Not to mention, this campaign has also raised awareness as well, not just within Wisconsin, but across the country, because that's where our donors came from, all over the country. So that's also a good thing. And as you may have caught in the last premiere, our combined efforts, the Oconto Shelter and the efforts here at Cow Country, we've raised awareness so that Diamond, that beautiful pit bull terrier, was also adopted just a few days ago during the course of this campaign. And that really is, the greatest victory is helping those critters to find forever homes, right? But until that happens, we have to help the shelter cover all of their expenses. That's where you come in. That's where you come in as donors to make a difference, to put your life on pause, to step out of the shadows, and to give life and hope, to give hope and life through your donation. Won't you do that? Please? Please help these critters. They need us now more than ever. All right? Take care. I got to get back to work here and get these Wonka bars heading out to folks all over the country. Exciting stuff, isn't it? Let's hope for more. Let's hope for more.